Is that okay?
That's a strange old whistle if I've ever seen one. It's a dog whistle, right?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, so if you call your canine friends from it?
Yeah, well, whenever you're in trouble.
Oh, there's even a bigger one. Wow.
Another.
So you guys definitely sell a lot of dog whistles. I bet they come running down the road for you.
Well, yeah, that's it. Whatever the customer will ask for.
Do they ask for this a lot?
Yeah, they do ask for that.
Would this be for like a little dog, a little chinchilla thing?
Yeah.
And that's maybe for a big dog like a golden retriever?
Yeah,
or
you're right on that. Yeah, a little dog will get hurt with one of those.